Good morning and welcome back to the channel. We have another build for you this morning. The sun's kind of out. It's early. It's right at 8 a.m. Just got a drop off and the guys are getting ready to start. I got a 2021 looks like Silverado 1500 RST. I think it's an RST. About 90% positive it is. Anyways, it has painted bumpers and it's a Z71, so it must be. But this is going to be a little bit different than what we're used to on here, but I really like the idea of what we're doing. We've done this one more time on another truck, and the truck really looked amazing, so we're kind of building it based on the last one. It was a red Chevy, like a 2023 Silverado. The other truck, we did a 6-inch lift with some Nitto Mud Grapplers, and we're going to do it again today on the stock wheels and some wheel spacers. This is going to look pretty awesome. Mud Grapplers, to me, are the tire that you don't really need a set of wheels with it. I mean, if you have a nice set of Mud Grapplers with a stock set of wheels, it looks just as good in my book. So the tires ride amazing. They last a long time. They're very, very loud. It's the loudest tire we sell, but it's a good noise. A lot of people that buy this tire really like the way it sounds. So stay tuned. I'll show you everything here in just a few minutes that we're going to put on the truck. And this one's getting the rough country lift with the struts, which is a great lift kit. This is the truck. At first, when I saw it, I thought it might be that slate gray metallic color, but it is not. It's more of a just a gray silver color. Still looks awesome. I love the painted bumpers on this one. The only chrome that they really do on the truck is this chrome around the bow tie, which is pretty cool. I just think it makes everything match better. You know, a truck that has chrome bumpers, a lot of times people want to do black wheels, and it sometimes just throws off the whole look of the truck to me. But this one's gonna look sharp for sure. We're also doing some rock lights on it, and we're doing some painted D-rings right here on the front bumper. Some different little different setup than what came on it, but I'll show you guys everything in a minute. I appreciate you watching. I think today's the first day that it's been cold. You know, we're getting into the I call it the end of summer because it's still getting 90+ degrees during the day, but it's 64 degrees outside right now, and I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt, and it's starting to feel like maybe I need to go with some pants and a hoodie, but I'm gonna hold on to summer as long as I can. I always do every year. You'll catch me in about December still wearing shorts, freezing and acting like I'm not cold. So but this is hopefully it'll warm up. This is the tire for our Silverado build here, 37 13 50 20 Nitto Mud Grappler. I mentioned that this is my favorite tire. This is a tire that I know for a fact is at least 18 to 20 years old, and they haven't changed the mold. Whenever I was like 16 or 17 is the first time I ever saw a set of these tires, and I bought some and I had them for like 3 or 4 years. The reason that I don't have these tires now is because they only make them up to 22-inch wheels, and I really like big wheels, so unfortunately I can't have them anymore. But every once in a while somebody will come along and buy a set of these for like a 20 or a 22, and they actually ride so good that everybody loves the tire. The problem is it sounds like a helicopter when it's going down the road, a lot of people say. I personally like the way it sounds. It's a very, very rich, bold noise that it makes. But absolutely, this tire does not shake ever. Every time we put it on a truck, it rides amazing. So if you like the look of this tire and you want to get it, stay with the 20 or 22 inch wheel and it's yours. I've even thought about taking my 28s off and just getting some 22s just so I could have these tires. It just looks amazing to me. They don't need to change anything with it. It comes with 2 optional sidewalls. One of the options is this scale look. We call it skins out. If you put those to the outside, that's what the guys in the shop say. And then your other option would be like the slick sidewall, which is this one. Yeah, they took the scales out of it, but everything else is the same. So it's really opinion based which side is better. I like both, really. I've run both on my truck, skins out or slick side out. It's really just it is whatever. But they do put this this film on the tires. It's a little shinier on the skin side, so we usually just put that side out. But let me know what you guys think in the comments about it. Well, the Silverado is done and I couldn't be more impressed with it. It's so funny that something so simple can look so good. This is a very, very inexpensive build. There's not a whole bunch going on here. It's a 6-inch rough country, some 2-inch wheel spacers, and some Nitto Mud Grappler 37s on the stock wheels. And this truck looks absolutely awesome. So tell me what you think. It's got a good stance to it. Wheels kind of stick out. Looks good. They don't stick out too far. So this is obviously a good daily driving truck. Just hopped over the curb over there with it. Didn't have to like really worry about scratching the wheel because you got plenty of tire. And then we got our rough country 6-inch lift right here. Comes with a skid plate in the front. Little secret, guys, if you order the diesel kit, it comes with a silver badge in the front instead of that skid plate right there. It's the same kit. It works the same on both trucks. The only reason is because there's an intercooler that's right there on the diesel and the turbo trucks that the skid plate interferes with, so they had to do something else. And Rough Country's answer to that was put a little silver badge on the front of the cross member, so I kind of like that kit better, but they look about the same. It's the same kit, really. This truck, we did the N3 struts from Rough Country, which are very, very nice addition to them. Very affordable, comparatively speaking to like some other companies like BDS or, you know, maybe McGoy's or something like that. It looks really nice. Comes with a new spring and everything. Then we did the Infinite Offroad. I think this is the 12-watt rock lights. They go all the colors. They're just set on green now for no reason at all. But overall, I think the customer's going to be impressed with the truck. I would be. I would definitely drive this truck every day. I like it a lot. If you guys are interested, you know, shoot me a call, 678-994-9180. Ask for Jake. Thanks for watching.